In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the if statement in Notion. The if statement is one of the most useful tools in Notion's formula editor. It helps you show different results depending on whether a condition is true or false, which is perfect for highlighting progress, surfacing priorities, or making your databases more visual and informative. Let's start with the basic if formula structure. The syntax is if open parenthesis, condition, comma, if true, comma, if false. Close parenthesis. In other words, you give Notion a test to run. If that test evaluates to true, it returns the first value you provide. If it evaluates to false, it returns the second value. The important thing to remember is that text values go in quotes, while booleans like true and false do not. Also, your condition must resolve to either true or false for the if statement to work. To make this concrete, let's look at a simple task status example. The formula is if, open parenthesis, prop, open parenthesis, done, close parenthesis, equals true, comma, check mark emoji, cross mark emoji, close parenthesis. Written as code, that's if prop done, equals true. Faye, here is what's happening. Prop done is referencing a checkbox property in your database called done. The condition prop done equals true asks, is the done checkbox checked? If the answer is yes, the formula returns a checkmark emoji. If not, it returns a cross. This gives you an instant, easy-to-scan visual cue right in a formula property. A few clarity tips as you use this pattern. Make sure the property name in prop done exactly matches the name of your checkbox property, including capitalization and spacing. Keep any text or emoji outputs inside quotes, so Notion treats them as text, and think about your output type since you are returning emojis in this example. The formula's result is text, which works perfectly for quick status indicators. To recap, the if statement follows a simple, reliable pattern. Test a condition, then decide what to show when it's true and what to show when it's false. With the example if prop done equals true. Faye, you are turning a basic checkbox into a clear, meaningful status at a glance. That's the power of combining a straightforward condition with a friendly visual output. Thanks for watching.